Alright, in last video we demoed how to connect Oracle SQL Developer to Db2 database using TLS connection or SSL connection. So after that, we realized we needed to know how to check the database connection, it is a TLS connection or not. So in this video, we're going to use the Db2 and the SQL Server example, okay? So in the SQL Server, it is very simple and it's often quite popular. People know how to check if the connection, it is TLS connection or just a regular connection. So we can query a DM exe connection, this DMV in the SQL Server. So let's take a quick look, okay? So I'm going to open a SSMS and do a connection. So in this case, let me first do just like regular ones, okay? So option. So let's connect. This is a local one. And because the handy of SSMS SQL Server Management Studio, we can just simply browse my table, go to view, go to system view, and find the one we know is interested. Is called sys.dm exec and then connection. exec missed here. Connections. So if we see this one, let's see, we see top 1000. And for the SQL Server, we're gonna look at this column called encrypt option. So in my case, all the connection, you can see it. It is false. That means they are not the SSL or TLS connection. So let me do another connection. So let's see. I'm going to connect database engine. We connected the same server. In this case, on the client side, it says, okay, I'm going to take a mandatory and trust the server certificate. So we connect again. So basically now, you see, we connect it differently. So now let's run this query again, see what's happened. So when I run this query again, you can see it, this section 59, and the encryption option, it is true. That means the one we just newly created, it is a TLS connection or encrypted connection. All right, so that is in the SQL Server. SQL Server have the freedom, like for example, if you client initiated this connection, TLS connection, or server side enabled. Okay, so in my case, the server is not enabled. I just use client to initiate this. So this is very simple. Regardless, for the SQL Server, basically, you query this, you can see all the connections, which one it is TLS connection, this which now. If on the server side, if you set up as enforce the encrypted connection, so you will see this column, every connection gonna be the false, okay? So that is the SQL Server. So I'm gonna minimize this one. So let's move on to the Db2. But the Db2 is not that straightforward as SQL Server. Until 11.5.8, apparently there's not an easy way to get this information. Starting 11.5.8, IBM added some column to this get mount connection table function. So we can query to find out what is what's the connection. It is TLS or which one is not. Okay. So before I do that, let's connect to the server I'm going to use. Okay. So this is the same server I've been using. It is R9 and the instance name is this one. So as we said, we're gonna use this table function to get the information. Okay, it's called mount_get_connection, and this is the argument. Okay, so I'm gonna do a describe of this table function. You see, describe select star from this. Yeah, we're gonna have hundreds of columns. I believe you can see it. Okay, so you can see it. Column name. So the one we are interested probably application handle, application name. Okay, and then if we scroll down to the bottom, you see many columns. So the one we are interested is this one. It's called the connect sec type that is introduced in 11.5. Okay, so based on this column, we can see the connection if it is TLS or it's not. Okay, so let's do a Db2 traditional list applications so you can see what is things currently connected. So currently I only have a local connection. Okay, so that is the current local connection you see here. Connect to the database. Database name is this one, S2. Okay, so I'm going to just do a first just to see what's this connection. So, and basically we're going to just select, as we said, we want to know this column. Okay. So let's see, we want connect sec type. Okay. All right. So let me. So let's connection sec type. Let me remove the. So this is one. We also want to see the application ID. Okay. So application ID. So okay, ID. Let me scroll up one more time. I don't want to use scroll up. Okay, so yeah, application ID. So you can see it. For this connection, local connection, the connection security type is none. So that means the local connection is not a TLS connection. Okay. Because TLS connection is going through the TCP/IP or SSL. So let's go to the SQL Server developer. So I'm going first to do a connection using the non-TLS. Okay, so let me connect. Okay, it's connected. So let's go back to the server side to take a look. Okay, so if I run the same command, you can see it. Now this is the connection from the SQL Oracle SQL developer from this IP address. However, if you see the connect sec type is a dash, that means it is a no value. Okay, so that means this connection is not. So let me do another connection. So this one I'm going to establish a TLS connection because if you see the property, we know last time we used the connection. SSL connection is equals true, and also we use the certificate, and also you see the port number. You see. So let me close this one. Let me connect. Okay. Let's see. Now this one. Oh, it's already connected. Okay, so both is connected. Connected. Let me disconnect this guy. Okay. So this one is yeah, this one is connected. So now let's see. Do the same query. You can see it. Now you can see this column. It's connect sec type. It is TLS v13. So that this is indicate it is a TLS connection. Okay, so if this column value is none or no, NULL or NONE, that means it's not. Okay, so let me get this come back. So let me connect this one. So now we're going to have 3 connections. We'll see one is TLS, another 2 is not. Okay, you see this coming from the same IP address, but this one is not TLS. That means they connected using the regular port 25010. This one, it is using the TLS port 25011. And important, it is the connection type. So because my Db2 version is 12.1, so by default this is TLS version 13. That is why. If you connect to like 11.5, you probably get TLS v12. Okay. All right. So to summarize, it's very simple. So for SQL Server, we query this DM exe connection, and for the Db2, so we're going to use the table function. Okay, so although it's not handy because the table function we have to find out the argument what we put. Okay, I wish the IBM can provide it like a view like Oracle create a view based on the $, those kind of tables or views. But maybe that is another story. But anyway, so to see if a connection, it says so we basically just query this table function like a table parentheses mount_get connection. And then parentheses, those to get to the value. All right, so that is for this video. It's a short video, just especially in the SQL Server world, typically after you set up like enable the TLS, if you want to check this is the one, just query that DMV. So for the Db2, now finally we have something to query this table function to get the information. All right, so that's all.